We got Len over here about to pick up the new 6-ton R410 gas pack from Carrier. Hey D, let me get my soda. Let me get that soda. There we go. Coming on up. There we go. Coming on up. Just like that. All right, good.
Now I gotta put that down, so I gotta grab it. So how that goes.
There we go. Coming through. D's gonna guide it down. All right, make sure you make the return that way. See that? That's gonna be on my side.
I gotta boom back out.
All right, grab that junk. Make sure you set that joint. Watch out for the other unit.
I gotta get real slow.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. Real slow. Push it down in place. Push it down in place. No, it's going to go inside, not on the top.
How you looking over there?
No, you got to straighten it out. Straighten it out. There you go. Push it your way, Lynn. Push it to him. Push it to him.
Ready? Ready?
Let her down slow. Nope. All right. All right, unloosen it. All right. Job well done.